What is up, YouTube? Back for a quick video. This one's going to be a little bit different. So the topic of today's video is, should I sell my Ford Focus RS? So I've had the car now for over 3 years. I do love the car, don't get me wrong. I love the interior. The seats are awesome. It has the RS2 package, has the sunroof. I really love the car. I wanted it so badly when it first came out. Waited a little while and finally got a new leftover back in 2018. So recently now I'm going to be acquiring a new work vehicle that I'll be able to use obviously to and from work and around the county and the town and stuff. So I don't necessarily need a four-door hatchback all-wheel drive vehicle anymore to commute, get through crappy weather and through the snow and things like that. So I have been debating selling the Focus RS, being that the market is so high. I'm sure all of you guys are aware the used car market is through the roof right now, and I've been quoted some decent prices for the car. So I am taking it to a local dealer about a half an hour away, and am going to look at another used vehicle that isn't necessarily going to be four doors or going to be all-wheel drive. So I do miss having a muscle car that I daily drive. As some of my subscribers know, my 68 Mustang Fastback and my 04 Cobra are garage queens and do not move much. So I want something that I can drive all the time, that I'm not afraid to put miles on, and that I'm just going to have a good time with. So I've got about 21,270 miles on this bad boy. Had it for 3 years. So we're going to go see what this dealer quotes me for a trade-in, see if we can work out a deal on one of their cars. Alright guys, so we're here at a dealership. The one I had gone to a few days ago from the video I was initially making. When I'm not working out, they had hit me low and offered me between 30 to 31,000 for the RS, so I didn't take it. And that was on a used car. So actually now I had just signed all the papers on a brand new car. So I'm going to make a new video on that, but I have secured a new vehicle, and I was able to get it for $500 under sticker price, and they offered me $34,100 for my RS plus the tax break. So that brings me in total credit about over $36,300, give or take, as if I were to sell it private sale. So that's more than I paid for the car. So this is going to be the last drive with the RS. The dealership is closed now. They're detailing my new car. So I'm going to drive this home. I'll be back tomorrow morning to trade this bad boy in and pick up the new ride. So let's enjoy this drive home. Bam, bam. All right, guys. So we got the car back home. We're gonna bring her back to stock, take off the decals, swap out the intake tube, the cone filter, take off the muffler bypass module, get it all ready to bring in tomorrow morning. So tomorrow will be our last drive with her. We're gonna go pick up the new ride. So let's get her done. So she's all ready. We got the stock intake tube, stock air filter, old emblems came off the front, and the exhaust valve defeat module has been removed. So car is all back to stock. The STT tuner was taken off. So I'm gonna drive this bad boy in the morning, trade her in, and stay tuned for the new ride.